Group isomorphism based example. First, map phi is such that real line addition with which is a map from R positive to multiplicative map. What is the map is phi of x which is equals to 2 की power x. It can be 3 की power x, 4 की power x and so on. Okay. So then we have to prove that it is an isomorphism map. So first we have to prove it is an 1-1 map. How to prove that it is 1-1? For 1-1 we should always take phi of x which is equals to phi of y, which gives you x equals to y. Then it is 1-1. Okay, so in this phi of x which is equals to 2 की power x which is equals to 2 की power y. So by taking log of 2 on both sides let's give log of 2 की power x which is equals to log of 2 की power y, then x equals to y. So it proved it is an 1-1 map. Next is second is onto map. What is onto map? Onto map is when there exists x for all y, then it said that it is an onto map. So what is the map? Phi x which is equals to 2 की power y. So when we take log of 2, it is given x equals to log of 2 of y. So for all y there exists always an x. This gives you onto mapping. Next is it is an homomorphism. It should be an homomorphism. So for the homomorphism, when the map